Do you know what using your phone all day is really doing to your eyes and brain right now? Let's watch. The moment you look at your screen, blue light shoots straight into your eyes. This dangerous blue light is slowly burning your retina from the inside. Eyes become dry, they turn red, everything starts looking blurry. But the real destruction is happening inside your brain. Blue light tricks your brain into thinking it is still daytime. That is why melatonin hormone stops being produced completely. And the result? You cannot sleep at night. You stay awake until 3 in the morning. Over time, brain cells start shrinking. Memory gets weaker and weaker. Focus disappears completely. And one more dangerous fact. Looking down at your phone puts 30 kilos of pressure on your spine. Your bones are bending the wrong way. Put your phone down right now. Rest your eyes and make sure to share this video with everyone you love.